Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. Now let's jump right into this recipe. I want to show you guys how I started. I've been soaking my chickpeas for about an hour now. I got this slow cooker from a friend of mine from Germany, and it's pretty cool. I really like it. It holds everything in, but it's not as big as I expected it to be. So I'm gonna throw in my chickpeas. As you can see before, I threw in a whole bunch of garlic in there in time. Okay, so this is what's going to give my chickpea some flavor. So I'm gonna lock this thing down. Okay, and I also want to show you guys how I can release the pressure and keep the pressure in. Okay, so for now I'm gonna keep the pressure in and release. So that's been cooking for about 20 minutes now. Now allow that to release. All right, so now this is for my dumplings. I add in my salt and complete seasoning. That's one thing I use sometimes. And to this flour, it's gonna be very basic. And then I just add water. And I just start stirring just like that. I didn't have enough flour, so it was really sticky, as you are going to see in a few seconds. Check out this beautiful garlic. Usually I would take the paste, and to make my soup more garlicky flavor, I would take the cloves and I would squash them and put them right in there. It's amazing flavor. So now I add in all my ingredients. So as you guys did not see off camera, I did add switch over to another pot. Okay, so I didn't use all of the chickpeas, so this is like a personal soup that I'm making for myself. And that green powder that you saw, that was moringa. Okay, so I'm gonna allow that to simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, and I just added some chickpeas. So chickpeas will help this to thicken up. Okay, and it's amazing how chickpeas can thicken up any type of recipe. Okay, so now my dumplings are gonna be going in. Okay, like I said earlier, the dumplings were a little sticky, but that is not going to mess up the meal. All right, so I'm gonna add a few more. So I had about 7 dumplings in there with this. 7 small dumplings. It was delicious, guys. Okay. Now, so I'm gonna allow this to simmer for about 10 more minutes so the dumplings can get well done. All right, so now let's put some of this goodness all in this bowl, baby. Yes. Check this out. Tell me, guys, what you guys think. All right, leave a comment below and tell me some of your recipes that you use. Wow. So I enjoyed a nice bowl of soup and garnish it with some parsley. And here we go. Thanks for watching.